Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also like this video. And for the old ones, you're welcome back and I love you so much for being. So if you're watching this video, it means you must have bleached and colored your hair, and this time you want to make your wig. You need a sewing machine, a wig cap, a scissors, some thread and needle, and of course the hair. Right now I'm securing the closure on the wig cap so it will be easy for me to sew on the machine. Now I'll be using the sewing machine to do a perfect stitch. So I went ahead and sewed my bundles on, and this is almost the end of it. The plastics on the wig caps are very easy to peel off, so just watch and see. Thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which is part 4, styling the wig.